Struggling with stress, I stumbled upon a hidden freshwater spring. The serene environment was a revelation. I learned that these springs are not just water sources, they nurture unique ecosystems. Observing the vibrant life around the spring, I realized the importance of balance and harmony. Inspired, I started spending time in nature, finding peace and clarity. This habit transformed my mental health, reminding me of nature's healing power. Freshwater springs teach us that supporting diverse life leads to resilience. Embrace nature's lessons for a balanced life. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.